Are you looking to streamline your HR process, enhance employee experience, and simplify HR service delivery? Welcome to ServiceNow HRSD HR service delivery tutorials. Today we will explore HRSD topics, topic details, and HR services. Everything you need to know to get started. So let's dive in. This is the fourth video in our series on HRSD. So let's get started. Before getting started, let's understand what exactly are HRSD topics, topics details, and the HR services. So I just want to show you one HR service structure, okay? And this is how it goes. It goes from top to bottom. So at the top, we have Center of Excellence, or we call it as COE. We have already seen to that, okay? Then underneath, we have topic category, then we have topic details, and at the bottom, we have HR services. So whenever we want to create an HR services, we first need to have a proper COE setup. If we have COE completed, then we need to create a topic category. Then we need to have a topic details, and then we can have HR services. Now, let's understand each and everything through the explanations. Okay. So COE we have already covered into previous chapters, so you can refer to that videos. So in HRSD, topics categorize HR services into logical groups, making it easy for employees to find what they need. Each topic contains topic details. So we have topic. So for instance, as you can see on the screen, for instance, the topic is benefit. Okay. In topic, we can have multiple topic details. So for example, topic details like medical and beneficiary, what you can see over here. So each topic can have multiple topic details, specific HR services or information relevant to that category. And now what are HR services? So HR services are specific request or task employee can initiate through the ServiceNow Employee Service Center. Each HR service is associated with a topic and include predefined workflow to ensure efficient handling. So what are the examples of HR services? So you can consider requesting time off is one service, updating personal information, submitting expense reimbursement. What else? Reporting workplace issue. Okay. And as you can see on the screen, there are a few more like medical benefit enrollment and so on and so forth. So this is the entire structure. Now in today's tutorial, we will understand if you want to create a HR service, how to get started and how we can create it step by step, okay, from the scratch. So I'll go back to my ServiceNow instance, and over here, what we have to do is we have to just first and foremost thing, we will search for HR services. Okay, I just want to show you the structure for it. So where is HR's? So you can go to HR service configurations, and here you will be able to see all the services which are there currently. So now there are currently 47 services. So if I open any of this, for example, beneficiary, add or modify, if I open this service out, it has few things like topic details is there, topic category is there, CO is there. So that's what we have discussed for now, as of now, right? So if I want to do one thing, okay, if I want to create a new service, okay, let's see how we can do that. So if I try to create it from here directly, okay, then there are some things which are topic categories, read only. COE we can select, but we can't select any COE, right? Okay, we have to select topic details first. So we need a proper setup in order to get started. So we will not do it from here. What we'll do, we'll first go to HR services. We will first go to topic. Okay, then topic details, and then we'll create HR services. COE we have already created, so we don't have to look into that. So let's do one thing. Now we'll first go to topic. Okay, and in HR services, under HR services, we can see the topic category, right? So here you can see all the topic categories which are there. We'll create new one. Okay, we already have the CEO, so COE. So we'll create it under the payroll COE for now. Okay, so it will be all the cases which will be created for this service, it will land to this particular table, sn underscore hr underscore core underscore case underscore payroll. Okay, this will be the table. Let's give the let's give the category name. So I will give for example, download finances. Okay, so we want to create a service which will, or we can give download. Yeah, that's completely fine. Okay, and if I save it out, now we can see topic details underneath it, right? So I can click on new, and now I will be creating topic details. We already got the topic category over here. So in download finances, probably what my perspective is like, uh, we'll be creating different details or topic details for downloading different, what we can say, documents. So underneath I can give what? For example, I can give employment docs. Okay, so we can put it like employments and personal docs kind of thing. So employment docs. So I'm just thinking out loud. Okay, I didn't decide what needs to be created. So employment docs, and now we get the option to create HR services. So if I click on this, now what? Employment docs. So on our side, we have a PAN number, okay, which is a unique identifier for any person. Okay, so I will be giving a PAN. Based on country, this entity may be different. Okay, it's a government identification document, we can say. So PAN, I will give, and I will not give any description, anything like that. Okay, and you can see over here we have two fields which are mandatory: open for approval view. So for whom it will be open? So it will be default for open for an approval. Okay, whoever has created, whoever submitted the case, and subjected person we will select default the subject person task assigned to. Perfect. I can save it out. It's getting saved. I feel so. It got saved or not? Okay, I it was a miss from my side. Now I've saved, and if you have looked into that, okay, or you can take the video back. This particular thing was read only template. Now it's editable. We'll be seeing it how what exactly we can do with this. But before that, we can see here two sections: HR service additional field. Here we can add some table fields if you want for this particular service. For example, if I want state, if I want short description, or if I want what, anything with respect to the service, we can put it over here. Also, we can subject personal related list. So we can pull the related list, okay, if we require something. So for example, if I'm dealing with the documents, I want this beneficiaries, for instance. Okay, I want beneficiaries, and I can save this out. So you got the context of it, right? So we have saved this. Okay. Now let's look into the template. So what exactly is the template? So template, as you must be knowing, template is used to pre-fill some fields, okay, by default. Okay, whenever this particular service is raised, whenever a case is raised for this particular service, some information will get pre-filled. Okay, this is the motto for the template. Currently it's not anything. Okay, let's try to create some template. So we'll go to HR template. Before that, let me do one more thing. There's one more section called checklist. Okay, you can create a checklist also. Okay, the way we used to do into to-do list. Okay, the similar way. What is the checklist? Okay, for example, get the PAN number. Okay, then we can add few more things. Get the approval. upload the approval email. Something I'm just randomly adding anything. Approval email. Okay. And last item I will get, I can give a resignation. Okay. So you can add anything over there. So this will also work out. We'll see where exactly this information is residing, or how we can save, how we can use this information. So is that now we'll go to HR templates. We'll come back to this particular service, but before that, we will create a HR template. So I will click new, and over here, this is a blank HR template. First and foremost thing, we have to select the table. So as we have created service for payroll COE, we have to select the payroll table. Perfect. And over here, now you can select the fields. Okay, what all fields you want. So what all fields? Okay. For example, I want short description, and I want to fill this particular short description with what? With this short description is coming from template, and I can give name also, proper name, pan template. What else? We want description. Let's give description also. What? This description. I can copy this. Paste. I will remove short. Okay. Why I'm giving this kind of information? Because then we'll be able to see whether actually it's getting this information or not from the template. Okay. And in the additional fields, also we can select certain things out. Okay. Will not go in that detail. So we can link elements. Okay. If you want to have next related child template, we can do that also. A lot of things we can do on this particular front. Okay. Data source assigned to we can select one. Let me do one more thing. Okay. I am very curious about this. So assignment group. So in the last tutorial, we have seen the assignment rule, right? Basically, based on the service category, we can define which particular assignment group it goes to, right? So by default for payroll, it's tier 1, but now I want to give it like something else. So if I go over here and if I search with HR, so let's consider HR admin for now. Okay. Now we will see whether the template overrides the matching rule or not. Okay. If it's going via matching rule, it should be HR tier 1. If it's not, then it should be HR admin. Perfect. So we've created this template out. Now we'll go to the history and we'll go to the service. And over here, I will select that particular template, pan template. Perfect. Also, I think this is done. So I will save this out. So we have done most of the things. So what all things we have done? First, we have created topic category. COE we already have. Then we have created topic category. Then we have created topic details. Then we have created HR services. In HR services, we have selected template. Okay, we have created template and then we have added the template over there. So it's based on your use case. Okay. Now let's go and it's time to test it out. So if I go create new case, and we'll wait for it to get loaded. Okay. So here I will select able tutor. And now we will select the COE first. It's HR payroll COE. And we should be able to see that particular service. So it's download finance. Under download finance, we have PAN. Perfect, right? Okay. So we got this thing out. We'll not fill anything apart from this. And we will click on create case. Now it will take some time. for the case to get created. And now we have created what we can say, we have created a case uh, for that particular service. Okay, it's in draft state, and we can see first thing to notice is like it's coming from template. The short description is coming from template. Description is also coming from template. Also, if we see over here, the assignment group is HR admin. Ideally, it should be HR tier 1. Okay. Why HR admin? Because we have given it in template. So matching rules get overridden by the template values. Makes sense, right? Okay. And here we can see the checklist. So for example, to get the PAN number, we can maintain this checklist. Whenever you check something out, it will get striked out. You can also add items. Okay. Like I got retained. Something like that. Okay. You can strike out the things. So, and also you can see the related list. We have selected one related list, right? Over there. So you can see that particular related list over here. Beneficiary subject. So you can see on the same case, all those results. Perfect. Now you can go for ready for work, and you can proceed the way you want. Quick tips for this particular tutorial. Okay, whenever you are working on these topics and all, clearly define topics and HR services for easier navigation. Okay, this is the most important thing, because I've seen people messed up. They have added some services which is into different, which is into wrong COE only. So you should have a proper governance board which can look into that. And that's your quick guide to ServiceNow HRSD topic details, and HR services. If you find this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more ServiceNow tutorials, and ring the bell icon to stay updated. Have any questions? Drop them in the comment below, and see you in the next video. Thank you.